Let's go, everyone. Today, we're going to be unboxing this new book I got called The Simple Path to Wealth, Your Roadmap to Financial Independence and a Rich, Free Life by J.L. Collins with a foreword by Mr. Money Mustache. So I just got this book. It just came out end of last year. It's 2022 right now. Heard a lot of great reviews about this book, so I just ordered it. Just opened it out of the box and realized I didn't make a video, so just fresh out of the box. So I wanted to show you all what this book looks like. I got the hardcover version. This is what this looks like. Right, so I know this channel looks like I do a lot of consumption, which I do, but I'm also big on saving and paying myself first. So since I've heard so much about this book, I wanted to give it a shot. It's recommended on a lot of financial independence by a lot of people I know that are into financial independence. So wanted to see what this book talks about that I haven't read already before. So let me flip through a little bit. Want to get at least to the table of contents to show you all what topics there are. There we go. Table of contents. So I'll show the left page first. I like part 1, 2 already. Why you need FU money. Oh, mention on VTSAX. All in VTSAX. Wonder what he says about YOLOing on crypto and other risky individual stocks. How to be a stock guru and get on CNBC. Is he talking about Jim Cramer? You too can be conned. Path for my kids. Yeah, usually I'm not into books like these because I feel like you can get this information online, readily available on a lot of different resources, but since this book was recommended so much, wanted to check it out. So see what it's all about. Ooh, let's check out the beginning quote. If you reach for a star, you might not get one, but you won't come up with a handful of mud either. Definitely agree, everyone. Aim for the stars. Shoot for the stars, because if you don't make it, at least you won't end up with a handful of mud, like he says. Let's see, total pages. About 300, a little under 300. So yeah, that's this book. Hopefully it's a good one. Thanks, everyone. Hope you all enjoyed. And hope you all have a great day, and please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Thank you. Bye.